12th Commerce, Chapter 1, Logic. So question is, state which of the following sentence are statements. Justify your answer if it is a statement. Write down its truth value. So question number 1 is, a triangle has n sides. So dear students, here you have to understand first that it is given n sides. That means exact value of n it is not given. So we can substitute any value, right? So your answer you can write it in this way, that it is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement, right? Whenever there is a open sentence, if you find it, then you have to write it is not a statement. Question number 2. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Solution is, it is a statement. Yes or no? So this statement is totally right, that sum of the interior angles it is 180 degree. So hence its truth value is T. Question number 3. You are amazing. So dear students, just check it out. In the question, an exclamatory sign is given, right? This is an exclamatory sign. So it is an exclamatory sentence and not an assertive, right? So when you find such a question, then you have to write it is an exclamatory sentence, hence it is not a statement. Question number 4. Please grant me a loan. So it is clearly visible, ये clearly दिखता है कि ये एक request है, right? So we can write it is a request, hence it is not a statement. Fifth, root of -4 is an irrational number. So we already know that inside root, right, we can write as 4 into -1 and it gets converted to complex number. So we can write it is a statement but it is false. Hence its truth value is F. Question number 6. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to -4 or x is equal to -2. Here we have to substitute and check whether the values are same or not. First we will substitute -4, right? So -4 the whole square minus 6 into -4 plus 8. So this is equal to 16 minus plus 6 4s are 24 plus 8. So this is equal to 16, 20, 30, 36, 40. Its answer is 48, right? So it is not equal to RHS. It is a statement. The value of x is also given, but it is false. So we can write it is a statement which is false. Hence its truth value is F. Seventh one, he is an actor. यहाँ क्वेश्चन में दिया है वो एक्टर है. कौन एक्टर है पता नहीं, मैं तो हूं नहीं, राइट? सो एनी पर्सन, वो एक्टर हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. तो ये क्या है? ओपन सेंटेंस है. किसके बारे में बोला है? पता नहीं. सो सॉल्यूशन, इट इज एन ओपन सेंटेंस, हेंस इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट. 8th, did you eat lunch yet? Here a question mark is given. यहाँ question mark दिया हुआ है. That means it is an interrogative sentence. तो ये assertive sentence नहीं है. अगर ये assertive sentence नहीं है, then it is not a statement. So solution we can write it is an interrogative sentence, hence it is not a statement. 9th question, have a cup of cappuccino. So here have a cup of cappuccino, ये request है, right? In short, imperative sentence है. So it is an imperative sentence, hence it is not a statement. 10th, x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square for all xy belongs to real numbers. So here already we have studied the formulas that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. ये सभी को पता है. So it is true. So its answer is, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 11th one, every real number is a complex number. So its answer already we know, हमको पता है, it is a statement which is true. So hence it is, its truth value is T. 12th, 1 is a prime number. So हमको पता है 1 is neither prime nor composite. So solution, it is a statement which is false, hence its truth value is F. 13th, with the sunset the day ends. This is also right. जैसे सूरज ढलता है दिन खत्म हो जाता है. So solution, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 14th, 1 factorial is equal to 0. So students, we already know, for example 2 factorial. So 2 factorial we write 2 into 1. So likewise 1 factorial is equal to, its answer is 1, right? So solution, before that let me rub this. It is a statement which is false, hence its truth value is F. 15. 3 plus 5 is greater than 11. We know 3 plus 5 is 8, जो कि 8 11 से छोटा है. So it is false, but it is a sentence, right? So it is a statement which is false, hence its truth value is F. 16th, the number pi is an irrational number. So its solution is, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. Next, 17th question, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y for all xy belongs to real number. So it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 18th, the number 2 is the only even prime number. So we know what is prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 जो खुद के टेबल में जाता है, right? So prime numbers में एक ही नंबर है जो even है, right? और वो नंबर है 2, right? So इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Its solution is, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 19th, two coplanar lines are either parallel or intersecting, right? coplanar lines जो सेम प्लेन में रहता है उसको कोप्लानर कहते हैं, right? so yes, अगर एक ही प्लेन में रहेगा तो वो लाइन या तो पैरेलल होगा या तो इंटरसेक्टिंग होगा. so its solution we can write like this, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 20. The number of arrangements of 7 girls in a row for a photograph is 7 factorial. Yes, there are 7 girls. तो 7 girls को arrange करने के लिए 7 ways होगा, right? So they can arrange themselves in 7 ways. So 7 ways means 7 factorial. So its solution we can write, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 21st, give me a compost box. Give me a compost box means it is a request, right? ये imperative sentence है. So solution we can write, it is an imperative sentence, hence it is not a statement. 22nd, bring the motor car here. तो ये order है, right? So if it is an order, that means it comes under imperative sentence. So we can write solution, it is an imperative sentence, hence it is not a statement. 23rd, it may rain today. आज बारिश गिरेगा क्या पता नहीं. Yes or no? So ये एक open sentence है. So it is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement. 24th, if a plus b is less than 7, where a greater or equal to 0 and b greater or equal to 0, then a is less than 7 and b is less than 7, right? So यहाँ क्लियर है कि a प्लस बी दो नंबर प्लस करके 7 आना चाहिए, लेस देन 7 होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स एकदम कम से कम एक नंबर चाहिए तो इट शुड बी 1, राइट? अगर एक नंबर 1 लेगा तो सेकेंड नंबर का मैक्सिमम विल बी 6. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ a का वैल्यू 1 इफ यू आर पुटिंग, then b का वैल्यू कितना होना चाहिए? it should be less than 7, right? so it should be 1 plus 5, right? that means a होने दो या b, both the numbers should be less than 7, right? so it is true. so we can write, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is T. 25th, can you speak in English? see here, question mark is there, right? question mark है तो ये interrogative sentence है, and if it is an interrogative sentence we can write, it is not a statement.